Hello, have a pleasant day. Today's class is net assets method. We are going to see particularly the problems. I'm Dr. Srimati from Dr. Ambedkar Global Law Institute, Tirupati. Let us see the problem. On 31st December 2021, the limited company's balance sheet follows the liability side, asset side. So we have to note the 40,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, and then reserves are there, profit and loss account is there, 6% debentures and sundry creditors are there. In the asset side, fixed assets, current assets and goodwill. Let us have an adjustment. On 31st December, the fixed assets were independently valued rupees 3,60,000, goodwill at 40,000. So here they are asked to calculate company share by net asset method. Calculation of net assets. We are writing the particulars, inner column and outer column of amount. Realizable value of fixed asset as given in the problem. Goodwill also we are taking as if it is given in the adjustment, and current asset from the balance sheet. So we could able to find out 6 lakh, the total asset, liabilities, debentures, sundry creditors, outside liabilities. So it is about 2,30,000. Then we are getting the net asset. So here we have to write the formula intrinsic value or net assets value of equity shares, net asset divided by number of equity shares. So substituting the values for net asset and number of equity shares in the problem itself balance sheet, and the intrinsic value of share equal to 9 rupee 25 paise. The next problem, the balance sheet of Saraswati Company disclosed the position on 31st December 2018. So liability side, asset side. So here 6,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each. And profit and loss account, reserves, 6% debentures, sundry creditors. And you may note that workman savings bank account is a liability only. It should be payable to workers. So liability only. And then goodwill account, investment, stock, debtors, cash at bank. And there is an adjustment, profit for the first 5 years given from 2014 to 2018. And the market value of investment, it has been revalued as 3,30,000. Goodwill is to be valued at 3 years purchase of the average annual profit for the last 5 years. So calculation of goodwill already we have given, and here also I am giving you how to calculate it, and find the intrinsic value of each share. So how to find out? First, goodwill, calculation of total profit. So the year profit in rupees, 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18, and then finding the total profit, then average profit, the total profit divided by number of years. So substituting it and getting 60,000 as average profit. Goodwill equal to average profit multiplied with number of years of purchase. 60,000 multiplied with 3 years. Goodwill is 1,80,000. Let us find out the net intrinsic value of shares. Calculation of net asset. Assets, you are taking it as market value. So goodwill just calculated 1,80,000. Investments 3,30,000 given in the adjustment. And stock as per the balance sheet. Sundry debtors balance sheet. Cash at bank as per balance sheet. And so the total asset is 16,20,000. And liabilities we have to take the outside liabilities, external liabilities. 6% debentures, sundry creditors and workman's savings bank account. So the total of liabilities 9 lakh. So the balance is net asset. So the formula for finding the intrinsic value of each share equal to net asset divided by number of equity shares. Substituting the values, and so that intrinsic value is 120 rupees. You can test yourself. The following is the balance sheet of NSC Limited on 31st December 2018. This is about assets. Liabilities and assets are there. And the adjustment. This is about an important adjustment. The market value of 60% of asset is estimated to be 15% more than the book value. And that of remaining 40% at less than 10% less than the book value. So there is an unrecorded liability 10,000. So this liability should be taken into account. And we have to calculate the assets according to this adjustment and find the value of each equity share. It is to be assumed that the preference shares have no prior claim as to payment of dividend or repayment of capital. So based on that, we are going to do it. Here is the answer. You can see to it and calculated 60 percentage. It is with 115 percentage since 15 percentage hike. So here balance 40 percentage, 10 percentage less. Current liabilities, bills payable, creditors, unrecorded liability which is given in the problem. Adjustment. So net asset, preference capital we are minusing so that we are getting net assets available to equity shareholders. So 6 lakh 50 intrinsic value net asset for equity shareholders divided by number of equity shares. So it is 10 rupee 83 paise. Hope you understood. Until the next, it's bye from Srimati. Thank you.